Okay, so I was anticipating more problems. I'm gonna reduce the timer. No, not increased. There we go. We'll get started a little bit sooner. Does my audio sound good? Is the music too loud? So why are you pushing toes into ear? Why not? I mean, don't you? Iterators are lazy and Rust anyway? Oh shit, then this doesn't work. It does? Oh, well good. Then I got my syntax right. What if you typed in the map wouldn't execute until you try to iterate over items? So that's why they're called lazy. Okay, that makes sense. 7 seconds, close enough. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So, welcome to the stream today. Just got back from vacation. And the first thing we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be working on the planner. We're gonna be redoing the planner to have a different algorithm, because I need to be able to end on a specific loop that has an end for that loop. For example, song 6 here has a loop specific ending, and we need the planner to be less random, kinda. We need it to like find a direct path to the end when it gets the plan to be too long. Why didn't you merge the license PR, by the way? I don't know what I want to do for licensing. I'm kind of leaning more towards GPL. But I don't know what like dual licensing entails exactly, and it seems weird to me. But yeah. So we're gonna the new planning algorithm that we're gonna be working on. It's gonna be more similar to the one that I implemented for code a la mode. In that there's going to be a work queue, and basically it has each item in the work queue has the plan so far and the next segment in the plan, and then whenever you go through the work queue, right, you add the next segment to the plan, and you find the next ones, and you add items for each of the possible transitions. It'll make a little bit more sense once we've started implementing it a little bit. So here, let's start with work queue. Does Rust have like a queue data type? Yeah, it sure does. Okay. So anyway, want to check out a few links? I wrote some things on Rust Playground. Yeah, go ahead, send them. Can I do tuples inside of this? That'd be super hot. This is probably going to be a little ugly. Yeah, I don't don't like this too much. Yes, you can do tuples. Perfect. Cannot index a value. No, that's not what I want. I guess I have to collect it. Maybe. No, I didn't like that. Shit. So the first one is about iterators. Since someone made a PR about a type that implements iterator, it's the most lengthy of all links. Alright, let's check this out. Please read carefully. It's somewhat long. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Example on iterator and into iterator traits and how to implement them. Okay. Ah, okay. We have to make like a separate iterator like thing for it then. Okay. And then this is the thing that turns this struct into this one. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that could be useful. For loop calls my collections into iter method under the hood, then starts calling my collection iterator's next method in a loop until it returns none. Ah, okay. So like this is just really just syntactic sugar. That's nice. Okay. That's cool, that's good to know about. Expected mutable reference found tuple. Wait, could I not do immutable tuples? You can't meld the languages, right? So that wouldn't really make a lot of sense. Does this work on its own? Isn't this a tuple now? Like, isn't... Yeah, I did that before. I'm pretty sure I thought I did that. Mismatched delimiter. Aha. Okay, there we go. No. What's the matter? Expected mutable reference. Oh, I guess, huh. What if I make this non-mutable? No, that didn't work. Am I not doing this right? Maybe this isn't necessarily what we need for this to work. Do cargo check. Expected mutable reference found tuple. Yeah, so tuples aren't mutable, I guess. Okay. No, it says something below. Consider borrowing here. Try that instead. What's a pen supposed to take as an argument? Wait, is this even the right method? Moves all of the elements of other into... Oh, well... I don't think that's the right function. Push back, I think, is what I need. Yeah! There we go. Cannot move out of index... clone. Yeah, there we go. That was the problem. I wasn't using the right function. I was assuming too much. A pen expects another vec-DQ. Yeah. Yeah, that is what we discovered. Let's see. The while work queue length. Actually, could I do like a while let plan equal work queue dot d maybe, or how do I use this thing? Front provides a reference to the front element. Well, how do I like DQ something and take it out? Let's see. Pop front. That works. Rust loop while DQ. I was kind of hoping to find an example, but I'm gonna hope this works. Not really about Rust, but I found this Rust-like experimental feature in the Clang compiler. Ooh. What exactly am I looking at here? The air. Oh, lifetime. Huh. That's weird. That's like somewhat interesting to see. Tells you that you're returning a dangling pointer. Okay. Match plan from oh, whoops. I'm forgetting the syntax. plan and next. And this thing. Let's see what this is. We all know that the Rust trade system is turning complete, so tell me, why aren't we exploiting this? Who needs const FN when we've got a crate like this? When we play Fizzbuzz at compile time. Oh, that's funny. Structs. False. Suck. True. 0. What does a suck trait do? So if I'm reading this right, we just evaluate expressions essentially in like at compile time using traits. Suck increments by 1. So we can do math. We can run code essentially through implementing traits. That's ridiculous. Okay, so where were we? So we need to put plan son of a bitch. It actually startled me. Oh, fuck. Cannot borrow plan is mutable. There we go. What did I type out here? If plan length is less than 6, pick a random segment that is not an end. Transitions. There we go. I mean, I think it's gonna fix itself when I finish writing my code. I'm not gonna worry about warnings until a little bit later. Filter. I want self dot segments s is end not. Wait, what happened? What happened? That was working, wasn't it? Variable does not need to be mutable. Yeah. Hi, Toa. Welcome. Yeah, so this is what convinced me to rewrite the planner, because I did this, and this does not make any sense, like, at all. So really hope I haven't been a nuisance on GitHub over the past week. No, dude, don't worry about it. Super helpful. Here we go. Allowed transitions. Turn plan. Oh. Right. I actually can't stick around that too long today because today is college move-in, but I did want to make sure to at least stop by. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck moving into college. Stay safe. I decided to take a semester off because I can't do online classes again. It sucked ass. Okay, this warning is actually kind of annoying me. While let some I. Oh. Okay. So then I don't need to have this. No? Is that not right? Let's okay, not quite. You removed more braces than you needed to? Oh, I did? Shit. Where did I fuck up? Oh, what? That goes to there, that goes to there. That goes to there. That goes to there. Okay. I think that fixed it. What is the problem here? Move occurs because next seg has type song segment, which does not implement the copy trait. No, it doesn't like that. Maybe we can just implement copy real quick. What I click? Okay, there we go. Can I not just do that? Can I not? Maybe. The trait copy may not be implemented for this type. Okay. Oh. Yeah, okay, that did it. Good catch. Oh, actually, here. Which one do I need? I need that one. Go down. And do this instead. That makes sense when I have in-person classes, but we have really low in-person capacity. Hopefully it won't blow up on our faces. Yeah, dude, fucking, like, if I had to, if I were putting money on it, I would bet that, like, COVID doesn't go away before the spring semester. There's no way. Like I'm kind of hoping so like I don't have to take like the whole year off for school, because I'd rather graduate sooner than later, but I can't do online classes. So do you want to check async Rust? I'll check it out a little bit later. I wanna work on this. This line is a little bit long. No, this is not quite right. This needs to be plan. If next seg is end, or no, is end return plan, because that means we're done. I'm going to comment that out and see if it works. Comment this old stuff out and see if it works, that is. No, didn't like that. Expected struct. What? What did it not like? Why does your code look so complicated? It's this thing. That makes it look complicated. This is not actually that complicated. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because if the plan is less than 6. Right, I messed up. So we want to randomly choose if the plan is less than 6 long. But we don't want to pick any end segments. And then if the plan is over 6, then we need to add work queue items for each thing. Error because you don't return plan somewhere. Okay, so I need to fix that. Or seg in segment ID in next seg dot allowed transitions. Actually, I need to check to see if this is I need to check to see if this is empty first. Plan, push, self, segments, end, seg, and return plan. Wait, that's the wrong brackets. Seg ID. Use of moved value plan. Where did I move plan? Okay. No. When will unsized locals feature get stabilized? What does that mean? What does that do? Can't move out of index. Move occurs because value has type song 7, which does not implement the copy trait. Okay, that worked. Use of moved value plan. Where am I moving the value? Value moved here in previous iteration of loop. Okay. So do I have to clone it? Yeah, I guess I do. Oh, right, okay. Never mind. That makes sense now. Honestly, I have too many clone calls. Yeah, I don't know what to do about it. Like Currently, local variables need to have their sizes known. If they don't, you can't make a local variable of that type. Okay. That makes sense. And this seems like a useful feature to have. But yeah, I definitely have too many clones here. Not really sure what to do about it. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. Okay. Cargo run. I reckon that worked. Ah, failed tests. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Do you know send sync types yet? No, I don't. What do those do? Yeah, it should never reach this point. Yeah, okay. I think this is good. Found a Stack Overflow question with kind of good explanation. You need to read both answers though. Okay. Go ahead and send it. Print line. Aha. Okay. Seg.id. That's interesting. Okay. Understanding the send trait. Okay. I'm trying to wrap my head around send sync traits, the intuition behind sync. thread safety, object does the necessary locking. So threads can safely access it, but the send part is a bit unclear. Okay. Sync allows an object to be used by two threads A and B at the same time. This is trivial for non-mutable objects, but mutations need to be synchronized, performed in sequence, with the same order being seen by all threads. This is often done using a mutex, or a read and write block. It allows one thread to proceed while others must wait. By enforcing a shared order of changes, these types can turn a non-sync object into a sync object. Another mechanism for making objects sync is to use atomic types, which are essentially sync parameters. Send allows an object to be used by two threads A and B at different times. Thread A can create and use an object and then send it to B, so thread B can use the object while thread A cannot. Okay. I get it. Most objects can be used safely by different threads if the uses can be guaranteed to be at different times, hence most types are send. RC is an exception, does not implement send. RC allows data to have multiple owners. If one owner in thread A could send the RC to another thread, giving ownership to thread B, there could be other owners in thread A that can still use the object. Okay. Arc is an RC that uses an atomic type for the reference count, hence it can be used by multiple threads without the count getting out of sync. Okay. That's a bit complex, but I think I get it. Yeah, these are good. That's good to know about. Okay, so this is not working as I thought it would. Okay, where are we panicking? That doesn't really it's not really making a whole lot of sense to me right here. Make plan. Plan too long, okay. What's it doing? Loop 3 to 6, loop 6, loop 6 to 3, loop 3, loop 3 to 6. Oh, is this just going back and forth here? Yeah, okay. What what are the available segments here? So start, loop 0 to 6, and it goes back and forth. Oh, I know why. If self dot has end, otherwise if next segment is a transition, then we need to keep going. Otherwise, we can return the plan. So, here. Well, actually, we could do if this. We do if plan is less than 6, or it's a dedicated transition. Then we should be good. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, not quite. But did we fuck up more? I don't think we fucked up more. I think we made one of the tests pass. It looks like, yeah, it never ends with transition. That passes now. Or wait, did that pass before? I don't know. Start loop. What are we failing on? Prop. Plan should always be at least 3 if it has an end. Plan should always end with end. Okay. Huh. If you have something to bench right, you can with cargo bench. That's good to know. I'm gonna stop printing out. What is it doing? Okay. Should end with end. Test failed, assertion failed. Ends with end. ID ends with end. Yeah, I think that's to kind of be expected sometimes. I'm not really sure. Can I, like, pretty print this? That kind of worked. Ooh, let's see. End. There's a loop 3 end. There's 2 end. Maybe. If self.has global ending, then we can choose random ones. Otherwise, we'll have to shuffle transitions. Can we shuffle? Yes, shuffle. And then for transition, or for seg in transitions. Like that. And then I have to clone this. Cannot borrow transitions as mutable. About we fix that. Perfect. Oh, that made like all of my tests fail. I think it's because it's panicking because it can't make songs. Or it can't make plans for the songs. So what it looks like. So if it has an end, Where am I going wrong here? The segments, start, loop. Okay. So it has no end, no global ending. Else if this is a problem here, I think. I don't need to return the plan. If it fails, I just need to ignore it and move on. Let me see, does it run? Or does it just fail? No, it works. Failed to make plan for song 3. Okay. Okay, so song 1 and song 3. Song 1 has a global ending, and song 3 has no ending. Okay. Fail to make plan for song. Welcome back, Combat. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Not too bad, that's good to hear. How early is it for you this time? It should be like, what, like 8 o'clock for you now? 8 a.m.? Perfect, nailed it. So if it has, actually, if self, no, if it has a global ending. Maybe else if self has end shouldn't be else if. Maybe. Let's try that. We're rewriting the planning algorithm, Combat, so that it can handle songs that have a dedicated end. See, now that makes it go into an infinite loop on one of these. So that's not it. Oh, wait, if that's not what I meant. I meant if it's placed in the wrong place. I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe this is messing it up. Maybe a little bit. No, not quite. Okay. So you want to code Zig on livestream? Not in particular. It doesn't really seem that interesting to me. Correction, I was doing fine until my friend sent me a video of a pair of socks with stripes on them with top text, "Relax, socks aren't gonna make me gay, etc." Bottom text, a lot of scary femboy ranting about cum and please kill me with fire. You wanna go to Femboy Hooters? We can count how many of them have striped socks, striped knee-high socks. Okay, I think there's something wrong with the song strategy, because I can't think of a reason why this wouldn't work. So I think there's something wrong with this. Well, I know there's something wrong with this song strategy, is that it doesn't necessarily make songs that you can make plans for. Right? But let's see, which tests are these? Should be at least 2. Oh, what? Why is that one failing then? Should be at least 2. Has and if, oh, okay, so if self dot has end does not have end, then return plan. That should fix that one. I hope. No, not quite. Segments start loop. Okay. That should... Oh. So when it's less than 6, right? It goes into here. It doesn't have a global ending, so it skips that. It goes into here. I see. Okay, if there's no end and transitions.length is empty, return plan. And that should work. That should fix that one. I hope. Yes, it does. And it fixes a few other ones. Plan should always start with start. Well, that's... doesn't make sense. Why doesn't it So it goes in here. It has an ending, right? So when it's on loop, it's less than 6. On the loop segment, it has a global ending. Oh wait, this is impossible. So I can return plan there, I think. No? Should always start with start. Family plan for song. Minimum failing input. Okay. So I guess that part works. Now this part is failing, where it has multiple loops and it has dedicated transitions. I need to step through this, I think. Maybe not. Maybe I don't need to. Okay, should start with start. Then, okay. Three items in the plan. Might be a bit easier if I did one of these. There we go. That's a lot easier to read. Okay. Should always start with start. Panicked at failed to make plan for song. Print line. Okay. I need to see the parameters, the full parameters for these. Okay, so it has an end. Let's see, where is the end? It has a end for the loop 1. Why isn't it, what? I'm very confused. Why isn't it doing that? Why isn't it adding loop 1 to the plan? Is it not doing that? So filter everything that is not an end. And we need some custom emotes, so I don't know, use mute or something. I uploaded a single emote today. I'm probably going to replace it because I think it sucks. But it's pending approval. Because I uploaded it today. Yeah. I don't know like how long it takes for that to go through. But I gotta figure out what I want to do for emotes. I want to do something funny. If you have ideas, I'm more than welcome to hearing them. Wait, is there even a loop 2 segment here? What? There isn't. That doesn't make any sense. Idea, make the program work. What a genius idea. I have not heard that one before. Just do it. Why don't I think of that? So if it's... So if it's on loop 1, it should go into here because the plan is less than 6 long. And then transitions should be empty. Oh, I think I see. So transitions will be empty. So... If transitions is empty, as much as I don't like it, I'm gonna do this anyway. Maybe that'll fix it. I hope my error handling PR didn't make code too complicated. No, it made it a lot better. That fixed it. Okay, so that was the issue. it was, Okay. Well, I think that means that there needs to be a cleaner way to do this. I heard that if it doesn't work, then it actually doesn't work. Which, I don't know, so if you make it work, it works. Well, that's kind of weird. And this does make it, like, way less efficient than it was before. But now it guarantees that it'll end. Right, it'll find, like, a path to the end, I think. How did you fix it? This little thing right here. So, like, when... Sometimes, if it couldn't transition... If it had dedicated transitions, if the song has dedicated transitions, and it had a loop-specific end as well, transitions here would be empty as a result. So if it doesn't have actually, what was it? Yeah, if it doesn't have a global ending, right? It would go down here, it would shuffle transitions, which was empty, and then add nothing to the work queue. So instead, if it's empty, if transitions is empty, grab transitions again, but this time include only the ends, which is kind of a mess solution. I don't know if I like it. I want to condense this a little bit. This is a little bit too verbose for my liking. Remove this. So I'm not sure what I could do. Is there like a conditional filter or no, that doesn't really make sense, does it? I don't know if there's anything I can do about it. Arc mutex went. What do you want me to look at? I'm sorry, I completely forgot. I can probably look at it now. Oh, I don't have cargo format or Rust format installed on this computer. I've been doing it for my laptop for the past week. Rust format. I need the nightly Rust format. Multi-threaded counter where 10 threads do counter plus equal 10. Kind of supposed to be tutorial from Arc Mutex. Yeah, I could look at that. I'm gonna commit this and put it in the pull request. What? What did I do? I just did this like 2 days ago. No, that's not quite. Just copy from Rust, why not? Yeah. I could do that. Yeah. There we go. Remove that. Okay. Redo planner. Redo song planner. What? Okay. GitHub. Pull requests. Closes number. What was it? I think I opened. Yeah, closes number 12. Ready for review. Okay. So it's kind of cringe. Here's 1/3 of the link. Oh, one out of 3 links. Okay. Look through the code launcher and then read comments. Okay. So let's take a look at this. I need to remember to mark the stream here. It didn't work. Okay. Okay. So it creates a bunch of threads. And then waits for all of them to complete. And in the thread, it has counter. Okay. Then counter increments it increments the counter by 1. Wait. Okay, so this locks the counter, right? And then we get this, using the unwrap, we get this mutable, and then we can mutate that value. And then once this function ends, the lock disappears, I guess. Link 2 out of 3. Okay. Removing arc. Okay. It doesn't work. Closure may outlive the current function, but it borrows counter, which is owned by the current function. Okay. As you can see, rustc says that closure might outlive counter variable. In other words, rustc thinks, if I understand this correctly, what if main function ends sooner than all the threads will be done executing? Okay. rustc is not smart enough to understand that we join all the threads at the bottom, so the scenario that rustc thinks about can never happen. Okay. Okay, this makes sense. You have another link for me? Cool. Just I-32 without mutex and arc. Okay. Yeah, so this shouldn't work. As you can see from the error, rustc complains about borrowing counter as mutable more than once at a time. Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So to, like, this, or no, this arc mutex guards against race conditions, basically, when modifying variables in different threads. So only arc mutex works. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. Cool. That's good to learn about. I'm gonna leave this up on GitHub for somebody to review, and I'll merge it at like the end of the day or something. I don't know. Now, mutex guards against race conditions. Arc just makes sure that even if the main ends sooner than all threads, counter won't be deallocated. Ah, okay. I see what you're saying now. Okay, so we're done with that bit. We're done with this bit for today. We're done working on this for today. I have like a couple of other things that I want to talk about today. Recently I moved over Open Together Tube to Heroku. I like just did that last week. And you know, late at night when I'm in Together Tube with my friends, like nobody like feels like queuing up videos, right? Like, because everybody's like super sleepy at like 3 a.m., but like nobody wants to go to bed. So I was like, well, what if I could just like suggest videos to queue up automatically, right? And I found this site called Neverthink, and basically this site is just it's literally what I'm looking for. It's human curated, like big long playlists of videos, and I'm like, oh, this is perfect. I'll just let's let's grab the playlists from this site and just put them on OpenTogetherTube, right? So I let me mark this. So I was like, yeah. So let's just grab the playlists, and I look at the source, and I see here that there's a bunch of preloaded state here. It's a React app, right? I can see a bunch of preloaded state here, and inside of here, we can, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see a bunch of YouTube video IDs in the preloaded state. So for some of these, it's just the playlists are just sent down to the client anyway as a list of YouTube video IDs. I was a little confused, right? But like, thinking about it, it makes a little bit of sense, because like you don't have to have your clients sending a whole other HTTP request to get playlists, right? That just reduces the load that you have on your server, right? So that makes sense. But investigating it a little bit further, right? So let's copy this here. We take this and beautify it, right? We can see channels, right? So these channels, actually, hang on, I need to align this so that you guys can see it all. Right, so this is JavaScript. Cool. So here we have channels, right? And it's just a list of channels. And that's what these are, right? So the channels are listed out over here, and they're shown to the user from this list. But sometimes the playlist is not included in here. There's like a URL to the playlist, right? It links to a JSON file, right? So if we look at this, we get this thing, right? This payload. And this is encrypted for some reason. I didn't know this was like valuable information. Like it's just videos on the internet. Like why are we like encrypting it? You know? And so I think it would be funny to figure out how to decrypt it. Why not? So I've set up a few breakpoints here already, but I really don't know what I'm doing. I think this update playlist function does not actually update the playlist, but it creates like a state transition to commit to the React state. I think I'm not really sure. So this is N. Okay. So I really have no idea what I'm doing. So this is probably gonna take a while. And you know, I could probably like reach out to these guys and be like, hey, I wanna implement, you know, your playlists onto my site. Do you wanna like partner up and do something? But this is more fun. This is stream content. And I'll probably reach out later. Because, you know, like web scraping this is probably not a great idea in production. Okay, so hitting a new playlist calls this function, or no, it calls this function, I think. Oh, this is confusing. Or I can't read this. This is really hard to read. What is up with this? So like I've seen this pattern a couple of times in like minified JavaScript. What is this for? Does this like save space somehow? Is this obfuscated or something? Well, it's minified. I don't know about obfuscated. Does this run at all? I mean, like, I'm assuming this like pattern is to like save space, because like it goes like t next equals 9, and that's end, right? But also like it doesn't make sense. It feels like this is longer. I don't know. So if playlist, okay, I get it. So this, when it switches playlist, I think when it switches playlist, it checks to see if it has the videos field on it, right? So looking over here, it'll have either URL or videos, maybe. Yeah, playlist, videos, and this, why? That is really long. Does it go any further, or did it cut me off? That's weird. Okay. I don't know why I can't horizontal scroll completely. That's weird. So it'll either have videos or URL, and if URL is there, it will grab. It'll call some function that looks like this, and then it goes down to this block. So yeah, let's try that again. Oh, did we do something? I'm assuming this is like a get or something. I hope. Let's see, what is E? Okay. Case 0. Step over. Wait, what? A. What is A? A is an iterator. An empty one? I don't know. Playlist. Videos. Okay. D dot B. What is D dot B? Oh, that's super useful, isn't it? Alright, see you later, Pro Theory. Thanks for stopping by. So what is E dot next? E dot next is 5. How does this save space? I don't know. Oh, didn't like that. The latest trending news. Okay. What is this for? Right. So what? Huh. How do I get it to call this decrypt? I just want to see the decrypt function, really. How about... Can I add a condition? Yes, I can. E.next equals... what is it? I want... 12. No, that didn't quite work. Disable, disable, disable. No, it didn't catch. Is it being cached? Are the playlists being cached? Are they even being retrieved at all? I don't think so. No, I don't think they are. Storage. What is it storing here? Alright, see you later, combat. Session storage, no. Not what I need. Cache storage. Really? Remove. Okay. Come on. Did it work? No? Maybe you gotta refresh. Oh. It's definitely doing something. Okay. Well, it had to grab the playlist at some point, right? Where I'm gonna grab the playlist. It's paying the API for like metadata for each video. But where is it paying the API to get the playlist? That's an image. These are images. This is something else. It's a font. Where is it grabbing the playlist? Because we can find where it's making the request, we can like sort of like follow the data. Next live stream when? Probably tomorrow. But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so probably tomorrow. No idea what time. Did a new live stream start, or is this the same one? This is the same one. I'm doing something else now. I finished working on the auto DJ for today. Did I go offline? Doesn't look like it. Where the fuck is it making this request for the playlist? It can't just magically get on my computer. Okay, that triggered this one. Oh wait, is this like a... What is this? Is this like... So this returns a function. This calls the function, which returns another function. Maybe. Dude, this is so confusing. Fuck obfuscation, dude. What does exclamation mark 0 do? Let's figure that out. Does this is this just shorter true and false? Yes, it is. Okay. That's a good golf tip. You can save 2 to 3 characters for true and false by doing that. Go in. What is happening here? Fuck. What is this? I don't know. That's weird. It's big, long, and weird. Maybe we're going about this the wrong way. Maybe we can find the key that it's using to decrypt it and find out where it's being used. I would bet that it's this, perhaps. Because this is just a big long sequence of numbers. Derive prototype, C prototype derive keys. And I think we found something. Oh boy, there's more. Fuck promises, dude. Goddamn. That's a good one, Pro Theory. What is brain succubus? I talked about that. That was like my title for one of the carrion streams, wasn't it? The monster like sucked your brains and shit. It was the joke. I don't remember what I was thinking. So did you manage to fight them off? No, in Carrion you play as the monster. So I was role-playing as the brain succubus. Dude, what is this? What is this? Are these just big primes? Is this what I'm looking for, maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna set breakpoints. And refresh the page. Okay. What happens now? No. Hang on, if I check the initial state for this... Will it have... the playlist that I'm looking for? That's the question. So do you want to use anyhow or this error for next project for error handling? Yeah, probably. This is not being helpful right now. It's like really slow to show me the rest of the text. Oh gosh. I don't think this is quite right. Oh, fuck. You know, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna copy this and take it over to VS Code here. Unusual line terminators. Never seen that before. Okay. There we go. Let's see. I think we just found it, actually. Did we? What is this? JSON parse SAAES decrypt. No, that's not, that can't be it, right? That don't make sense. Decrypt block. Yeah, let's take this over here. Let's start setting some breakpoints over here. I think there's probably something in there. Let me disable that one. No, that's... I guess it's not using that bit to decrypt. I wonder if we can find the source code for this library that they're using to handle encryption and decryption. Web crypto. Isomorphic web crypto. Is that it? Web crypto library for Node, React Native, and IE 11 Plus. Yeah, that kind of looks like it. Okay, so we gotta kind of guess which algorithm they're using. That'll be fun. Isn't there like a site where I can do stuff like that? CTF text decoder. Cyber Chef. That's what I want. I'm pretty sure I can do some sequence of things to get the actual text. Curl. Okay, so that's my input. DES decrypt. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we can. Let's try and find like what they're doing. Decrypt. Aren't they using I to hold like a big sequence of numbers? Or no, like this? This might be the key, but I don't know. This could also be the key. Really long. Oh, cool. There's just a bunch of functions with E, T, and N as the parameters. That'll be super fun to figure out which ones of these are actually being used. Can I just like look at the React state maybe? I kind of can. This actually might be a lot more helpful. Okay, so store. Oh shit, how do I run this function? I don't know if I can. L. Okay. Get state. Okay. Here's something. T is store. Alright. So could it be safe to assume that T is also store in other places? I don't think so. Where's N? Where's N being defined? How does N work? Need to know what N does. N is just passed into here. Cool. I have no idea what N is or does in any context. Hang on, let's fold all of these. Can I do that? Ah, okay. That's fantastic, isn't it? It's just a bunch of functions with E, T, and N. Shouldn't repeat count size hint return self count remaining some I don't know. I don't think so. I think size hint is like supposed to be used for like allocating. But not like a guarantee of how many or how much of something is in there. I don't remember. Push. Okay. Router. The current video, current channel, playlist, videos. Okay, well, oh, maybe we can find it. I think that's it. Maybe we can find it by where it sets videos. Videos equals. Fuck. Videos equals Does it ever do this? Here's something. So if it's already... Are you fucking serious? So if it's like already decrypted it, it doesn't... Or no, if the last update... Oh, I see. Okay. So if the last update isn't past a certain time... But wait, then how are they getting it in the first place? Because this never hit anything. Well, that's the only other place that it is, so I'm gonna try that. Okay. So, N playlist encrypted. Okay. Where does it go from here? Is this where it like updates the state? God, I don't know. I don't have a fucking clue. Okay, E. What is I? 22? Channels R. Capital R. What does this function do? Does something. Okay, jump in. Return T. Is this it? I think this is it. God, I don't know. What is E in this case? E is the text, okay. T is undefined. What is x of t? Does it matter if I even give the argument there? No, it doesn't. So what is s.a? That looks like the decryption library. AES decrypt. Okay. And C is something. What? N is N. N equals E. Oh, wait, what? What is U then? U is the key or something. Words. That's a word is like 8 bytes, right? So these are longs. Well, I think this is the key, isn't it? I just need to turn this into something else. I need to turn it into bytes. It's not DES, it's AES. AES decrypt. 0 as the IV, and this has the key, but I don't know. Number 2 bytes. Can I do this in Python? Python get bytes from int. import struct pack. Maybe? No? Use bytes to convert int into bytes. Here, bytes. No? That... Oh, that's probably what I want. 2 bytes. No? To 8 bytes. Byte order. What's the default for this? I think it's big. No. Maybe it's little endian. I'm gonna go with big endian. Can't convert negative into unsigned. Okay, so GCM tag. What does that mean? Input is definitely not hex. FF, A4, F4, star K. I don't know what star K is doing here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I guess I need to do int to hex. Struct, no. Oh, perfect. 2A and 6B. Okay, I don't know what GCM tag is. Figure out what GCM tag is. Is it padding or is it? Oh, maybe it's the IV. No, wait, no, it can't be the IV. I already have the IV. Invalid key length 8 bytes. Okay. So I need to do that for this. I need to do what I just did for this bit here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I hope that's right. And the IV is just zeros of the same length. And the GCM tag, I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is. I'm gonna assume that it's just zeros. Will it decrypt? Invalid key length 31 bytes. Shit. I missed a number somewhere. H. Okay. Unable to decrypt input with these parameters. Wait, is this too big? Is this using AES 128 instead? Somehow this works. This little bit of code works. Somehow. Don't know why. Somehow. I don't know. I don't know if I know enough about this in order to get it to work. I might have to do this off stream because I can't make progress fast enough or to be entertaining on stream. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head out for now. Thanks everybody for coming out. We did a lot of stuff today. And I'll see you guys next time.